Today we're diving into the world of human capital management, or HCM, exploring how to implement a successful HCM system for your business. But first, let's quickly define HCM. HCM refers to processes and technologies used to manage all aspects of your workforce, from recruitment, onboarding for training, performance management, and compensation. An effective HCM solution can bring a number of benefits to your organization. These include improved efficiencies, enhanced decision-making, boost employee engagement, reduce costs. Now let's walk through the key steps to ensure a smooth and successful HCM implementation. Define your needs and goals. Before diving in, take time to clearly define your business needs and goals for the HCM system. What specific challenges are you trying to address? What outcomes do you hope to achieve? Select the right HCM system. Conduct your thorough research and compare different HCM systems based on your needs, budget, and industry requirements. Consider factors like scalability, ease of use, and integration capabilities. Most important, get buy-in from your stakeholders. Secure the support of key stakeholders across the organization, including leadership, HR, and department heads. Their involvement is crucial for a successful adoption and change management. Configure and customize the system. Work with the HCM vendor to configure the system to meet your specific needs and workflows. This may involve customizing features, integrating with existing systems, and setting up data migration processes. Train your employees. Provide comprehensive training to all employees on how to use the system. This ensures they understand its functionalities and can leverage it effectively in their daily work. Go live and monitor progress. Launch the HCM system and closely monitor its performance and use adoption. Be prepared to address any initial challenges and adjust as needed. Continuously improve and adapt. Remember, HCM implementation is an ongoing process. Regularly evaluate your system effectiveness, gather feedback from users, and adapt to evolving business needs and industry trends. With GTM, you won't go it alone. As you get started with our HCM platform, we have an experienced team of implementation specialists to help you every step of the way. Whether you're starting new or transitioning from another provider, once you're up and running, you'll have a dedicated account manager who will help you with any task or question. Thanks for joining us today. If you're considering implementing an HCM system, remember to carefully plan, involve your stakeholders, and prioritize user training. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video goes live. And in the meantime, here are 2 more videos I think you might like.